After a part one, this is the part two where we can check and set the all parameters in the drones. So to connect the drones, you need to set up a one hotspot on your computer, yeah, any mobile. Okay, just make it like this is the hotspot, the arrow star and arrow at that 123. This kind of name that for the particular. So you can set it this kind of hotspot on any laptop, any mobile. Okay, Android device, that is fine. After this, okay, we need to do key take a battery and turn on the drone actually. Okay, like this. We just turn on. Okay, and you can do it one other like just slide the battery inside this. Okay, like this, and then turn on the drones. Okay, then also this is also fine. Okay, one you turn on the drones, drone is automatically turn on, and now you can see you got the ESP over here. Okay? That is a connection of the drones. You get this kind of connection over there. If you have mobile, then you got this kind of name on that device. Okay, once this is device is connected, now we need to go with the other softwares that's called the mission planner. Okay, this is the mission planner where I by default actually connected before, so it's can automatically connected. But let's I can check for you. Okay, like how can you can connect it? Okay, as a first time. Okay, just wait to until this parameter file is loaded over here. Okay, when you start, you get this kind of web. Okay, over here in the right side you can select the UDP. Okay, that's the UDP. Then click on the connect. Over here just mention the 14550, that is mean is 1455, and just click the OK. The drone will be automatically connected within a few seconds. Okay, like this. This is kind of the parameter loading. Once this completed, drone is connected. Now just see, when I move the drones, the video, you can see it over here, the drone is moving. Over here you need to check first the parameters. You got the two data over here, the mag1, mag2. That's meaning your two both compass are connected. Another one is that the GPS, that is no fix. Okay, this is the basic parameter. You can see it over here. It's in a battery voltage 8.5. Okay, now the first what we can do, first go to the configuration file. Okay, then go to parameter list. In that, just compare the parameter that we already send you, that compare, and upload the any new this file that we already send you. This is the file. Okay, just open. Okay, then you got in a this kind of things. Okay, so what you need to do, just do the continue button. Okay, and make it yes for everything, like okay, and like this. Okay, and another things you need to change for the any every drone, that you need to assign the one number. So for that just search SYSID. Okay, so you got this kind of name over here. This is the SYS ID, like this. Okay, so what you need to do, give it the, if you have a, like five drones, so give the any drone one number drone is the one, then two, then three, and four. Do not give the same number to any other drones. Okay, because you need to run a light show after this, so therefore you need to run and given the unique name. Okay, so for that you can give it every the any one number, two number, something like. Okay, once it's completed, you need to just write the parameter. Okay, you click on the write the parameter, it's automatically done. Then you get this kind of detail. Okay, it's okay and save. Now you need to reboot. So for reboot, we need to go to the setup, then open the mandatory setup, and then compass. Okay, now you got different compass over here. Okay, so what you need to do, if you got the any missing compass or something, just click on finish, there's remove the missing, and upward this direction. Okay, this is your RM31W, this is upward. Okay, like this. Okay, and then click on just this one, use compass one, and then click the reboot. Okay, once you just rebooted, it's automatically reconnected. Okay, When you want to show, okay, like it's go to the this data, you can see the drone is just connected or not connected. Okay, we can check it. So what you can do, just click on this right side, disconnect and then reconnect. Okay, like this. So it's now it's connected, automatically connected. Okay, you can see it's automatically connected. Now we need to load this parameter. Okay, then after we can do the calibration and all things. Okay, so now what you need to do, go to the setup. Now first things you need to set up the Excel calibration. Okay, the one is Excel calibration. So click on the Excel, then place the drone like this kind of the flat table. Okay, so using flat table you can easily get the something based calibration over there. Do not make it like this or like this. Okay, just place it as a plain surface. Okay, first click on the calibration.
Place vehicle
Yes,
level and press any key.
that's level, that is, then re-click. Okay, now it's left, then move it the drone like this, the left, it's done. It's right, now you can see it over here, it's right, then click it right, then it's time to nose down. So now it's connected like the nose down. Now it's time to nose up, then it's like nose up. And when it's backside, so you need to make it like this, but do not press it the weight on the antenna, just fold it like this is
Calibration
base.
successful.
Now you can see the calibration is completed. Okay, now we need to check the motors. Okay, like what is the motor direction and all things. Okay, so what we need to do, go the optional hardware, and that is the motor test. Okay, in motor test you can just mention the throttle value is 10, and then take the drone as something on your hand like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so you need to just place your hand above these things, you get the air and direction. So what you need to do, just click the test A, so you can see it, the motor is turning. Okay, you can just feel it. We need to move that motor, you can see it over, it's needed a counterclockwise. Okay, like this, we need a movement is like this counterclockwise. Okay, so like, and then another one is to, if you fold the hand over here, you get the air actually on the your hand. Okay, then we can do same process for the second motor. Okay, and then same process for the third motor, and then third, then fourth motor. If your any motor is going to the wrong direction, okay, so what you need to do, you need to just change the two wires. Over here you can see it, over here is a three wire of the motors, that is 1 2 3. Okay, every motor have a three wire, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So you need to change any one or two, like this motor is not on the right direction, you need to change the direction. So you need to do, just swipe 1 and 3 wire, like one to over here and two to over here, like this. Okay, the 1 and 3 wire just swipe each other, and your motor will be, direction will be changed. So this is the things. So you need to check before the flights. Okay, then after the finishing this test, your motor is almost ready, and you got the perfect data over there. So we need to now calibrate the compass. So what we need to do for calibration of the compass, that's a make sure you can do one things, like you can do compass and calibration the little bit far away from the any electronics device like this laptop and all things, just make it far away. And how we can do it, it's good if you go outside it, then it's good. Okay, when you click on the start button, you can see it, the LED color is change. Okay, now you need to move their drone like infinite loop, like this. Okay, like this. So you got the better idea about the these things. Okay, like I can check it and give you the better idea. Okay, like this. So this is kind of the finishing. Okay, once you completed, you can see it over here, the bar is moving. Okay, when you completed this calibration, the bar is completed, and it's like the giving you the final output. Okay, like I can, let's test it one time. but I am actually near to the electronics hardwares. It's hard to getting that done actually. Okay, but that's still I can check it once. Okay, if that's completed. No, that's C. That's if you are near to the any hardware and electronics that cannot complete it. Okay, so you need to go a little bit outside, yeah, the farther away. But that's we need to cancel it. Then you can see it. The light is change. Okay, one the calibration is completed. You got this kind of light. Okay, that's yellow light. Okay, so that means you and you have a message over here. Your calibration is successfully completed. Okay, so this is the two main things that we need to complete first. Okay, then we can go for the flight test and all other things. So this is the our whole testing. So you can see over here how can you check the your actual calibration is like this. This horizon is straight. Okay, like the wrong horizon is like this. Okay, this is like this. But now you can see this is like perfectly. Okay, so you can easily get the data over there like this. Okay, the horizon is perfectly. So you can do it like there's a calibration. After this completion, you need just replug your upper cover. Okay, like this. It's finished and it's look like the our finished product. Okay, and it's ready to fly. That's it.